Silicon Valley to Shanghai and everywhere in between, innovation is happening everywhere we turn. Here's a snapshot of some exciting new technologies in development around the world. First, we travel to the Big Apple for a refreshing take on janitorial work. Don't want to get your hands dirty cleaning up the bathroom? No problem, just give the Somatic team a call. The startup has developed an autonomous robot for commercial-grade cleanups. Its arm sprays down surfaces with a chemical solution, rinses them off with a jet of fresh water, and vacuums the floor dry on its way out. This touchless process thoroughly disinfects a bathroom and removes any mold, mildew, allergens, and odors. All the Somatic robot needs to get the job done is access to water to refill its tank and electricity to recharge its battery. The service costs just $1,000 per month for a full-time deployment, which works out to 50% cost savings. Now that's a fresh idea. Speaking of autonomous vehicles, our second stop is Munich, Germany for a novel approach to controlling one. The Toposens system uses ultrasonic echolocation to navigate self-driving cars. Small sensors are installed on the vehicle's body that send out ultrasonic waves to detect nearby objects. These sensors create a map of the surrounding environment based on how long it takes the waves to bounce back to the vehicle. This method can locate objects in three-dimensional space, so even small obstacles like curbs, overhead poles, or glass walls aren't missed. What's more, the system functions just as well at night or in limited lighting conditions. In addition to autonomous vehicles, Toposens is also using its ultrasonic technology for industrial robotics, elevators, and tracking devices. Our last destination is Helsinki for a voice assistant that knows exactly what you're after.
I'm looking for gray color. Let's say Boss, and size large. And can you give the most expensive one first?
Talk about search made simple. Speechly is a plugin for your web browser that lets users browse using everyday language. Just hit the microphone button and make your request, and the app will carry out your order. It can filter search results, add items to your shopping cart, place orders, and even edit picture settings. The process is very intuitive thanks to a natural language processing algorithm trained to understand the intent behind our words. Speechly is designed so that software developers in any industry can repurpose the algorithm for their own needs. That way, almost any interaction can become controlled by voice, and we like the sound of that. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.